So this is how to move a column in your Google Sheet file. I'm going to show you two examples. And the first of one, let's say that you have one column and you would like to just move it to a random place. You can then select the whole column by clicking on the top row, pressing Ctrl, Shift, and the down arrow. And this will ensure that you have selected the whole column. And then hover until your cursor changes to this little hand, double click, and just move it to whatever you need, such as this place over here. Now, if you want to move a column, let's say more to the left or to the right, but without losing any data, you then have to click on the entire column, on the column letter from over here, then go to Edit, select Move, and then you can pick column left and column right. Let's select column right, and this is going to move it in place of the bonuses column, and now no data will be lost. So this is how to do it. Let me know if this helped you. Thumbs up the video if it did. Subscribe and comment if you still have issues.